Why did you go there with boundary adjustment? Ndi Igbanke in on Edo State, they are suppressing them. We want government to look at that boundary. Kasieba, but I joined one day.
Ogbemodia did that to them.
Did that to them because I'm Maya Seba.
Yes.
Go now. He doesn't know what they're suffering. Even
the Benin are chasing them.
Are chasing them.
So Fanor on Benin, Fanor on
the man came very fast and about Benin, but not suspend the whole king. It will be. That's not chief cover.
That's what they made themselves. You know, you will do something without thinking or reasoning what will happen in the next
generation. Yes, to come.
All the onye papia na me feketa. Ochefu na omo. No mecha no mu ya ge.
Yekele okene ifo men.
Yekele okene ifo. So that's why if you must do something, you must be very reasonable.
First thing first, before I talk on the issues of Igbanke being Igbo and cut into Edo State, look at this picture. This man, by research, was said to be an Ikwere person. His name na Chibuoke. For those people where they say, oh, Binu, they're different from Ovunna. Look at the comment section. They say this man carried cocaine and he was caught by the Nigerian government. Everybody on the comment section are now tagging Igbos. Igbo people, now so that they make money. But you'll be bearing Igbo name and be claiming you are not Igbo because you are from Ikwere. Say, Obinna is different from Obunna. But when you commit crime, now Igbo people, they go call. Am I saying that Igbo people know they push cocaine? No, I'm saying that if you know that when they catch you, they will blame the Igbos. Please change your name, your son name, change your language. Maybe if you come on internet, you go to say my name not Vonna. Say it's different from Igbo. My name na Chibuoke. It's different from Chijioke. But when a crime happen, they will not write Ikwere now. They will write Igbo man from River State committed a crime. That's what we are talking about. That's what I keep saying, that the enemy knows you better than you know yourself. Anyway, let's dive into the main case. In case you're a Benin man who is emotionally driven, who doesn't calm down to listen to other people, please, you can skip this video. But if you're a Benin man who wants to hear people and see other people's opinion, you are free to listen to this video. The Omo of Obio, in a discussion, said it jokingly that he knows that the Igbanke people are Igbos and they were caught into Edo State by Igbomudia. And by that conversation, he said that even Igbomudia did something that the people are suffering today. But that's not where I'm going to. Where I'm going to is this. Why should you, in the 21st century, a Bini guy supporting your king, who is making both you and others to be a subject and to be an SLAVE? Because I don't want Facebook or YouTube to sanction this video. Slave trade was abolished in the 18th century. But history says that they were still practicing slave trade till the early 1940s. We are in the 21st century. Human Rights Violation Council does not support slavery, human trafficking, prostitution of different types. But in the quest, because you want to feel superior, you guys can be an SLAV to Yoruba, but the wickedness is you trying to drag others to be the same SLAVE to your same Yoruba. What a wicked and criminal act you people are committing in the 21st century. The funniest is that some of you who live abroad are the one committing this atrocity. The last time I posted a video of a Benin guy saying it with his mouth in a live TikTok show that he knows that by their tradition, written down in some of the Benin book, that they are SLAVE to the Oba. He said it. I don't have any problem with it. If that is your history, if you are proud of it, carry on. But it's a shame when you that is in the 21st century, be an SLAVE, is trying to bring another man down to be like you. Because when you come online and say, Igbo people not get history, Igbo people not get culture, Benin people history, is that what you call Benin people history is recorded? Is that what you call history? Nigeria is the only place where somebody will be committing crime and still want others to feel like he's one doing the right thing. You will be on the hold up driving. A driver that could not wait for the time to count will be honeying for you, winding down and be telling you, Shege, you are forming like a good citizens. Whenever a Nigerian tell you are too know, you know what it means? It means that they know that you know, but they want to drag you for two of them to be the same level. Because when they call you too know, next time you want to do something, you say, oh, may they not think I too know. You want to become like them when don't know anything. This is what you people are doing. That's why I say it's wickedness of the highest order. You guys know that you are a subject. You are an SLLVE to your back. But you still have audacity to come online and be insulting the Igbos, the Igbo culture, that we are the one that own this Igbo community from here to here, because you want all of us to be subject to Yoruba. Practice your culture, leave us alone. And I'm talking about you guys that live in abroad, that does not have any work over there, but to set camera and be insulting other people who live in Nigeria. This is like land grabbing and expansionist agenda. Thank God that the Igbanke people have woken up and they're speaking against it. Thank God that the Igbanke people are now speaking up. You see, this thing that Oba is doing today is as the same thing that happened 100 years ago. If they allow the Oba to hand over another chiefs to oversee the Igbanke, time will come, that person they said is the gay or whatever they call him, will start claiming that Igbanke people now is a descendant of Benin, because he can trace it. These are the same thing that happened in the ancient time. History wants to repeat itself. If the Igbanke people do not stand strong to speak against it, it will repeat again. And like I said, some of us in Anioma that are claiming descendant of Benin, now this kind of thing supposed to happen to your kings so that your eye go clear. I'm out of here, Joe.
The Oba of Benin don dey give a lot of kings, over hundreds of kings now, don dey give them later for them to resign as a king for Edo State, for Orionwo local government as a whole. Any community at all wey dey under Orionwo, as long as you are under Edo State, you are under Orionwo, the matter concern you. The people of Igbanke, it concern them badly, in the sense that they don comot, I think, about 3 now. Igbanke get about 6 different community for inside Igbanke. Out of those 6, they don finally remove 3 out of those 6. And these 3 wey dem remove now, number 1, they don remove Olije. So they are asking the king, the highness, the Enyoge of Olije to step down. You understand? They also asked the Enyoge of Omolua to also step down, as me and you dey talk now. And Idimodi, they are also asking the king of Idimodi to also step down. And who people dey talk this thing now? The Oba of Benin. A lot of people say the people of Igbanke dey under Benin Kingdom. That was the first error wey dem first make. Igbanke no dey under Benin. Although say we be Orionwo, we be Edo State, does not mean that Igbanke people is under Benin City. The Oba of Benin is letting us know that he has the authority to make king and to remove king. And that is what is actually going on at this point in time. The general president of Igbanke worldwide sent to one of their group, and is letting the whole Igbanke people know that this is the time for them to stand up and speak for themselves. I told some kings before now, during some of my interviews with them, that Enyoge is not supposed to be what our king supposed to be answering. They're supposed to be answering Eze. What they are being written on their signpost, there is Enyoge. I think this is hard time they start to start changing it. Igbanke people do not speak Bini language. I don't know why they are taking this thing to another realm or another level. The people of Igbanke is not speaking the same language with the people of Benin. An Igbanke man cannot hear what the Benin man is saying. A Benin man will not hear the language which an Igbanke man is speaking. Because all I know is that a king cannot remove a king.